Hi, in this tutorial we will see how to debug or customize order success page of your Magento website. So by default, when we place any order in Magento and we refresh the order success page, the session gets destroyed. So after refresh of this order success page, customer will not remain on order success page. Let's check it here. So I refresh the page and now you will see customer is redirected to cart page. So if there is any issue in your order success page or you want to change the styling of order success page without placing order again and again, how to do this? Now there is a quick fix to it. What you can do, you can go to your Magento project and in vendor folder, you have to scroll down to Magento folder. Inside Magento we have checkout module which you can see here. So go inside module checkout. So we have a controller here. Inside controller folder we have a success controller inside one page folder. So go to this success controller and here you will see a line session clear code. So this code is responsible for clearing your code on order success page. To debug your issue, you can comment this code and debug your issue on order success page or customize it. Please note that this is a hack. This is not a proper implementation of this. So once you fix your issue, once you make the changes, once you style your page, come back and uncomment this code. And definitely you should not try this on production environment because it will impact other customers also. So use this approach only in your local system. So I have commented this code. Now I will go ahead and place one order again. So order is placed now. Now I will try to refresh this page. And you can see still we are on order success page. We are not redirected to cart page. Now we can debug our issue here and we can see what is going wrong, or we can style the page as per the design and refresh again and again. Still we will remain on order success page. So this is a quick hack to debug the order success page. Now once you are done with debugging or styling, go back to your project and uncomment this code and you are done. Thank you.